This video, we're going to find the asymptotes of the hyperbola. Some of these will be centered at 0, some of them will not be. So we have new equations that are up here to help us find the asymptotes of a hyperbola that's not centered at 0. So the first one here, number 15, is centered at 0. So we have y equals, and it has a transverse axis. It's parallel to the x-axis. So this is b over a x with a plus or minus sign in front of b over a. For number 16, we're going to have y squared over 16 minus x squared over 16 equals 1. So we have asymptotes of y equals plus or minus x because a and b are the same. For 17, this one's not centered at 0, 0, and it has a transverse axis that's parallel to the x-axis. So we have y plus 4 equals 3 plus or minus 3 over 4 times the quantity x plus 2. And for number 18, we have to complete the square here. So x squared minus 6x. Then pull that negative out there. Y squared minus 8y. This is going to be equal to 23. Half of negative 6 is negative 3, and negative 3 squared is positive 9. Half of negative 8 is negative 4. Negative 4 squared is 16. We multiply that 16 by a negative 1, we get a negative 16. 32 minus 16 is 16. This is x minus 3 quantity squared minus y minus 4 quantity squared. We're going to divide everything by 16. And we get x minus 3 squared over 16 minus y minus 4 squared over 16 is equal to 1. So this is going to be a transverse axis that's parallel to the x-axis. And we get y minus 4 is equal to plus or minus 1 times x minus 3. That's it for these asymptotes. We'll come back next time and find the equation of the hyperbola that's described.